CBFI 30 tons/day direct cooling block ice plant project. Successfully launched in October 2023. Stable operation for over 15,000 hours. CBFI's fast response after-sales service ensures uninterrupted, high-efficiency production all year round. Compact design of direct cooling block ice machine significantly saves floor space. One-touch start for automatic ice making and de-icing process. Integrated ice pushing system greatly improves ice discharge efficiency, minimizes manual operation. CBFI's service covers 170+ countries and regions. Powerful global service network delivers efficient and localized support. Over 20 years of dedication in the refrigeration industry. Rich experience and professional expertise to meet diverse and complex needs. CBFI, your one-stop professional refrigeration solution partner.